Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a summer day in my life. Today is Monday and I'm currently getting ready to go work out. 9:26, my workout's at 10:15. I signed up for a spin class and one of my friends took me to one of hers and I was like, oh my god, I forgot how much I love these things. It's actually pretty soon when the spin class is. It's in like 45 minutes. I guess that's not soon. I always like over evaluate time. Like someone's like, okay, be here at this time, and I'm like, okay, so that means I need to do this, and then I need to do this, and then I need to get ready, and then I need to wake up, and then I don't know. I'm good with time because I'm always early to things, but I'm bad with time because I'm always early to things. First thing to work out, we need to pick out an outfit. I very not so well made my bed. I'll do it more when I come home. These leggings are calling to me. Actually, those ones were, but they gave me the worst camel toe. And then the workout top that we will be choosing will be this one. This entire outfit is from Amazon. I will link it down below for you guys. I wear it all the time. Okay, I'm gonna change and then I'll be back. I have my spin bag with my spin shoes. If you guys haven't been watching my video for that vlog, my freshman year of college, I was like obsessed with spin. I would go pretty frequently, honestly. Like not as much as a lot of people that I know, but I did buy spin shoes because I was like, it saves money not having, I just dropped it. It saves money not having, oh, I just popped my neck. Wow, what a morning. Almost at night. It saves, for the fourth time now, it saves money not having to rent the shoes every time, but honestly, I haven't gone enough to make this purchase worth it. I want to get more into it in the month of July. I really want to go frequently. I want to do a video where I do a spin class every day for a week. I just want to see that. I feel like that could be interesting. So I'm gonna go fill up my water, and then I have tofu that I want to put in a tofu press so I can make lunch when I get home. Our water system, they haven't been sending us water for the past 2 weeks, but they've been charging me for it, so I need to make a little phone call today. Okay, I always lock my door. It's literally force of habit from when I was a teenager. Oh, I didn't show you the outfit. I mean, like I already showed it to you, but this is it on. Then I'm just gonna wear flip-flops into the studio and then change into my shoes because I don't like having them touch like the outside ground because they're just so nice, you know? This is her. Turns out today is Friday, not Monday. What? Literally, who am I? Well, no, I don't think that's the right thing to say in this situation, but I'm just like, huh? Like, how did I get my days mixed up that badly? I'm gonna post on my Instagram story to get you guys excited for today's video because I upload every Monday and Friday at 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, if you don't already know. Like a little mirror selfie action. I can't see because the viewfinder's flipped up. Okay, let me share you in on the thought process of what time I should leave because this is an ongoing issue in my life. Ooh, it is going to be 115 degrees out today. I accidentally opened up my weather app instead of my maps app. The place is 8 minutes away, but it takes about, you know, some time to get into my car, to like leave my apartment, lock the door, then I have to go down the elevator, then in my car, then out of the parking garage and all that. So that takes, I don't know, that could take 2 minutes, that could take 5 minutes. I've never timed it. I should, but I'm moving out of this apartment soon, so it doesn't matter. Yeah. And then, so it's an 8-minute drive and the class starts at 8:15. So if I leave at 10, then I'll get there 7 minutes early. But the time that it takes to get in my car, I don't want to be late, but I also one time went there early and like I got there 10 minutes early. Like I get everywhere 10 minutes early, if not more. And I was the only person there. The last class hadn't even gotten out and I was just sitting there waiting. It was so awkward and I don't want to do that again. So I need to start being like later to things. So I was like, I want to get there like 5 minutes early. I might leave at 9:55 and then just sit in my car for a while until I see people start to go in. That might be what I have to do. Wait, maybe I'll text my, oh my god, no. I was gonna say maybe I can go through my conversations with my friend that I went with one time and see what time we like met up there. I'm never gonna be able to find that through all of our text messages. One thing that like stresses me out and gives me anxiety more than anything, showing up to places at the right time. I don't know why. It just really stresses me out. I'm vlogging from here for a reason. This is really awkward. I got here pretty early, right? I got here like 10 minutes early, so I was like, okay, I'll just chill in my car and park. I parked next to a girl who I think is doing the exact same thing. So we're like literally in line with each other. Oh my god, please don't tell me they're gonna, oh my god, are they gonna do it too? They're gonna pull up right in front of me and they're gonna do the same thing. Oh my god. Guess we all have the same idea. I'm sorry the air is on. I'm trying to turn it down, but it's so hot. You can't film obviously in the studio, but I got one clip of me right when I was done. I need to shower. My hair is soaking wet. Like the roots, the ends are even soaking wet from like the sweat on my back. You guys can't see because this is a black shirt, but it's all sweat. It's literally all dripped in sweat, like soaked. Oh my god. I kind of feel like I was gonna throw up the whole time because I always do this to myself where I drink pre-workout on like a pretty empty stomach and that makes me feel horrible, which is stupid. Oh, it's 11:11. Yeah, but I don't feel 10 out of 10, but it was a really fun class. Literally that spin instructor was a psychopath because it was so hard. Great girl. little, but very hard. And that is why she's a psychopath for making us do that much resistance. I just got out of the shower. I'm brushing my hair. Well, actually, no, I need my brush first. Anyways, right after I got out of the shower, I go on Instagram. Taylor Swift is releasing Red. She made her announcement today on Scooter. Sorry, should I bleep that out? He Who Shall Not Be Named's birthday. I'm using Olaplex number 6. Someone just texted me about it like right now. So naturally I wore red to celebrate. I am so excited. I really thought 1989 was next, but it makes sense because summer is like pretty much over. So if she was gonna do it, she should have done it like months ago. And also she probably wants to like space them out quite a bit. I really thought 1989 was next, but who knows? Probably not. I'm just thrown for a loop, but I'm so excited wearing red to celebrate. So I have a long list of things that I want to do today, but I really want to go to the Levi's outlet because I need shorts. I'm literally uploading my shopping vlog in 8 minutes. So if you guys haven't seen, it's hot in here. I'm sweating. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll link it down below, but I had the hardest time finding shorts, and there's an outlet store for Levi's near where I live, and my friend told me that she got like 4 pairs of shorts for $90 last summer, and I'm like, sign me up. I'm gonna finish brushing my hair, and then I'm gonna make myself some lunch, and then we'll probably go. My hair is so tangly. What the heck is going on here? Just got back from the outlet store. We really only went to Levi's. We went to Nike, but nothing was really cute. I was gonna like vlog, but then I just got some like b-roll footage of me trying on the clothes. I just did a shopping vlog and I felt like there was like too many. Well, let me know if there's ever such thing as too many. But I tried on like 10 pairs of jeans and shorts. Not one single pair of jeans fit me, but I ended up getting 2. I'm kind of nervous that these are the wrong ones. Okay, so these shorts, I got these. Initially gave me a pair that was like dirty, like there was like dirt all over it, so I didn't mind. So I was like, I wonder if I can get a discount, and they're like, oh, let me find you a pair that's not dirty. And I was like, fine. I looked for a pair, and then these were just sitting up top, but I got these. I think I need to try these ones on again just to like make sure, because like I tried on the dirty pair, not this pair. Literally one time I tried on 2 pairs of jeans that were the exact same jeans and the exact same size, and they fit completely differently. I got these. I love these, and they just fit so well. I'm so excited. I need new jeans. I really want like actual jeans, not just short, and I tried finding some, but none of them just like really fit me right. There is another outlet mall that I could go to. I'm kind of feeling lazy today. I'm feeling so exhausted right now. I can barely keep my eyes open, and I want to take a nap. I always do this where I like stack up all my days. I try to get everything done earlier in the week, and then I'm like, I'll have the rest of the week to chill. And then the beginning of the week, I'm like, no, but I'm exhausted. So then I end up doing stuff the end of the week, and then I'm exhausted the next, like, so, oh my god. Why do I do this to myself? Does anyone else do this? Is that anyone else's toxic trait? I'm just so excited for these jean shorts. It's 5:27 right now. I'm watching Friends. If you guys don't know, I never watched Friends all the way through. I've seen episodes here and there, but I've never watched it all the way through. I watched the Friends reunion, so I was like, okay, I'll watch all the way through. So I'm on season 3, episode 1. I started like a week ago. This episode's 22 minutes, so I'm like, it's allowed. Right now I'm planning my day for tomorrow. Basically like pushing all the stuff that I wanted to do today to tomorrow. I'm making like a list of like TikToks, and does anyone else do that? Like click their pen on their face? I shouldn't. I'm going to make my to-do list for tomorrow. But yeah, I've just been watching Friends. I should edit my thumbnail. I could. I just don't want to. People are always asking me how I'm so productive, and I have days like this where I just like physically can't do anything and I just feel so burnt out. I'm trying to be like, okay, I'm allowed to let myself. So I'm just gonna do a couple of worky things. Well, not really, like they're super easy, but I'm gonna watch Friends while I do it, so.
Well, hey, Chandler, we
and then he kind of rolls you away and
I'm currently getting ready to go get drinks with my friend. My issue is it's so hot in here. My room is like 1,000 degrees right now. That's such an exaggeration, but it's hot in here. So my face is really red, and so it's hard to do makeup because it's like literally melting off. It's 117 outside right now. The sun is like literally pouring into my room, but I got really cool videos. I want to make a TikTok of my room during golden hour. This sounds so weird, but like you get the vibe with like the light pouring in. So I just took a bunch of clips. I had my windows rolled up, so it's just hot, but I'm getting ready. I'm watching Friends. I don't want to be like too bougie for this. Not that I really ever get bougie. Whenever I can't find something, I go, I'm gonna keep getting ready, watching Friends, and I'll update you guys when I look a little better. I literally paused what I'm doing to show you guys this, but I wanted to show you guys my new favorite way of doing eyeshadow. This is Rare Beauty Nearly Neutral Liquid Eyeshadow. I literally take it. This is like the easiest thing ever. I used to do like a whole blending, blah, 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 blah. No, I put some like in the outer corner, see? And I just take a brush and I literally just spread it everywhere. Lower lash line, spread it everywhere that I can, connect it to the lower lash line. Fluffy brush, blend out the edges. And that's literally it. It's just good. It's just good. That actually might be like a really bad yeah, no, let me fix it. Let me fix it. This is what I look like. This is my outfit. I was gonna wear something else, but this is what I decided to wear. I always get so excited to show you my outfits. When I actually try, I'm like, well, let's document it for the world. Low key, should we do it like this? I don't know if this is working or not. Oh, bodysuit is from Forever 21. I recently got it, so it should be still in stock. I really like square necklines. I feel like they're very flattering. And then I also got, these are the shorts, the Levi's that I got today. That's really all I can show you there. Cleavage is Dr. Mark Malik, plastic surgery. No, like actually, I'm not even kidding with that. This necklace is from Forever 21 as well. These rings are also from Forever 21. I need like rings that I actually like. I mean, I'm all right with them, but I don't love them. One has to go, and I'd prefer for it to be this. These earrings are like my favorite thing ever. I think they're so cute. My one issue with them though is when I wear a mask, my mask gets caught, like there's kind of like a little gap, do you see, in it, and then it like pulls my ear. It's like kind of annoying. There's no mask mandate in Arizona anymore, and where we're gonna be going is outside, which will be rough because it's hot outside. They're from Amazon. I'll try to link everything down below. For shoes, I'm probably gonna wear like a sandal. Normally I wear like Air Forces if I'm going to a bar. This is a restaurant that we're sitting at the bar. There's really no point in wearing closed-toed shoes because no one's gonna be stepping on me, I hope. Oh, I kind of got ready early. Like I have like an hour before I need to go to her place, so I guess we'll just watch Friends.